Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to enter opening balances or conversion balances in Xero. So for that purpose I'll come in accounting menu. In advance you will get option of conversion balances. Okay, so here first of all I need to enter the conversion date, means from when I have started using Xero. So in my scenario I have started using Xero from April 2023. Okay, so I have entered that date. You can see it is mentioned that you need to enter the closing of 31st March 23. Okay, enter your account balance as at 31st March 23. Show all accounts. So our charts of account will appear here with zero value. Now one by one we need to enter the balances, and if you want to add a new account then you can create it from here. In same way you can also remove unwanted account from this list. Fine. After entering data you just need to click on save. Now let's enter some data. 100 pound asset side and 100 pound liability side. Now save. So as you can see our balances has been saved successfully. Fine. Now this is my 22nd to 23rd year. Okay, this is last year. Now assume that I have to enter comparative balance, means year 21st to 22nd. So I need to click here, and once you click here the same kind of display will appear here with different year, as you can see here. Now in same manner I have to enter the balances here and simply click on save. Now suppose I need year of 2020 to 21st, then again I can do it from here in same manner. Okay, as you can see. So in this manner we can add opening balances or conversion balances or comparative balances in Xero. Now I have entered balance of 100 pound in last year. Now let me check in balance sheet whether it has been appeared or not. So balance sheet. Okay, I have entered 100 pound liability side as well as asset side. You can also compare from here, compare with option. As you can see our balance has been appear here successfully. So in this manner we can enter opening balance or conversion balance in Xero. Thanks for watching.